Good morning, students. Today in the entrepreneur session, we are continuing with marketing mix. Under marketing, we are continuing with price mix. Now, on the price mix, we are continuing with method of pricing. Today, we'll start with third method of pricing, that is skimming or creaming method. Now, as the word skimming means like skim milk is there. Skim milk means when everything is taken out from that. Same way, skimming or creaming method is there. Under pricing method, high prices are charged during the initial stages of introduction of the new product, and the moment the manufacturer is able to recover its research and development expenses and initial expenses, he reduces the price. Like taking an example of Apple phone. In an Apple phone, Apple mobile phones or any product of Apple, initially at initial stage, the cost of product is very high. The prices are high, but after some time they are reduced. Now, under this, why the reasons are: demand is likely to be more inelastic with respect to price in early stages than in when the product is fully grown. Promotional elasticity is, on the other hand, quite higher, particularly for the product with high unit price. Now, second is introducing a new product with high price is an efficient device for dividing the market into segments that differ in price elasticity of demand. The initial high price serves of skim the cream of the market that is relatively intensive or to price. Price may be reduced subsequently to attack successfully more elastic segment of the market. Now, a manufacturer may charge higher prices in order to restrict the demand to the level which he can easily meet. He may also use the strategy to avoid the loss resulting from the competition when the entry to that line is quite easy. High initial price finances the cost of raising a product family. The manufacturer may charge high prices and plow back the excessive profit. Now the profit which he earns after recovering your research and development expenses, etc., he again use it for the expansion. This is not plowing back of profits. Now, advantage are high recovery. The cost of product and investment can be recovered quickly by this method. Then second, quality. Such method is applicable mainly to quality products, like taking an Apple phone or Apple product. So mainly to that it's related, not for inferior products. Then it encourages innovation because research through this any innovative ideas about the product can be quickly introduced by such method. Thus innovation is encouraged. The entrepreneur can implement this price. The entrepreneur who follows this price can give more attention to research and development of the new products. Then disadvantages are high promotional cost. In this method there is heavy expenditure on advertisement and other promotional techniques. All the entrepreneurs may not have such financial strength. Only those who have financial strength, those who have good financial strength, they can go for this method. Then this method is only for applicable for the short term. The moment the competitor enters in the market, this method doesn't work. So take an example of your phone only. The moment other phone companies they enter the market with the same technology, they have to switch on to leave this method. Then innovation. Such method is applicable only to innovative product and ideas. It can't be introduced for normal products. Only for the product with sophisticated innovation is there required. Only for that it is used. Thank you.